Let's try it first. Then use the makeup primer. Let's change it to that one today, the kind that feels clear and heavy. First of all, we have a reason. It's a secularism that's been particularly popular recently. It's a black-brown ring with a thin locking edge. The inner ring has that very delicate highlight. After wearing it, the eyes suddenly light up. Right? Totally natural depression. Whether it is clear and light makeup or depressing mixed race makeup, it's all beautiful effortlessly. It's the icing on the cake. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Today we are using, however, this Wheat Eye Butter Concealer. Old friend, use it often. Let's rub it a little bit with this number 2 Natural Orange. Can you see that it's really the same as ours? Special like, then I don't have to feel anything. I go right down with my hands. Because I'm a little dark right now, I just want to pat it on this lip. The texture is really, really moist. Otherwise, I definitely wouldn't give it to him with my hands. Such a casual shot. Oh yeah, so be it. Next, we will use my new Fun Cream. This particular weakness, it's kind of frivolous, and I like it. The color also suits you very well. It's also trimmed, and the bronze one is also trimmed. Don't look at me too much. In fact, it opens very naturally. It has a natural feeling of yellow and black skin. Not a big problem. Let's demonstrate in space. I used an eyebrow brush like this. Dip in brown eyebrow powder. Then, according to the eyebrow, it is always concave a few times, and this is what it ends up looking like. I actually dyed my eyebrows, so I didn't dye it at all. My eyebrows are that brown. Chocolate color. Then put a double eyelid sticker on it. I put up a small fan. I didn't enter just now. Okay, let's demonstrate it again in here. It's this color. And here it is. Here. Click on it, and here, and here, and the end of the eye. End of eye. Click one here, and then use the brush to do it like this. This is the halo piece. You see, then a little tap on the bridge of the nose. Then the end of the eye faints. And then it opens up here and it opens up here. The eyelashes I'm going to paste today are more warped, so when I curl my own eyelashes, I will be just a light clip. Fake it hard. I'll tell you if I think it's too upturned. Not very pretty. Baby, tell me sleep. This eyelash is a little weird. I don't know why it's okay. It's not surprising after using up makeup. Let's continue. With a thin pen, dip it in this darker brown color and trace its eyes. Instead of eyeliner, open the corners of the eyes. The step is to draw the eyes first, draw the front shape again, and connect the eyes again. Then it directly melts the lower limbs. Today's lower limbs should stand lighter. Because the eyelashes are very prominent today, the lower limbs don't have to be so heavy. This trend of the tail of the eyelashes. Just trace the eyeliner out. Let's make a deal first and take a positive look. In fact, the end of the eye is drawing a Yangtze River delta. Just make sure that the front view is connected to the false eyelashes. We also used this facelift solution just now to repair the nose. Draw on the nose and faint it, mainly to have a certain sense of shadow. Make the overall tone more harmonious. This color is so pretty. Then use the brush just now to trace the eye socket. Brighten up and draw a Y between the eyebrows. Draw a T on the nose. Shoot in place. Use another rose-purple rainbow liquid. A small amount of heavier blush. Or draw an egg yourself with a fine brush just now. Just a little shape. Don't be too heavy, I bought a water light stick myself. Champagne. I bought 2 new puffs today and haven't used them yet. I came from here to here and then this big. Take a look at my avatar. A little nose too. And then there's this piece in the middle. You use one of these light pinks and this shiny red pink. He's kind of like a blackout. Okay. Like if you're already full. Actually not. Okay. So hot. It's really hot in the house today. I don't know what's wrong. I suddenly start to appreciate myself. This orange, very small rice brush. Occupy this kind of off-light brightening color. The small flame brush occupies the white gold pearlescent highlights. Then we have a full lip shape. A tender pink lip gloss. Okay, that's it. Let's get the hair done. Change to another BGM. Fall, fall now. Fall never system. Fall, fall than you ever. Fall. Fall jump. Pure pocket deep. Dumb. Fall, fall than you era.